How to fix verification failed, your identity couldn't be verified, please check your internet connection. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix verification failed error on iPhone and iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, the verification failed, your identity couldn't be verified, please check your internet connection message on iPhone usually appears when there's a problem with your Apple ID or network connection. So here are the steps you can take to fix the problem. Method 1. Turn off VPN. Guys, if you are using a VPN, then temporarily turn off the VPN on your iPhone for a while. So for this, first go to the settings application, then scroll down and click on general. After clicking on general, now you need to find VPN and device management and click on it. Here, if your iPhone is connected to a VPN, temporarily turn it off. After that, try logging into your Apple ID again and see if your problem is resolved. If the problem is not resolved, then try the next method. Method 2. Forget Wi-Fi network. To forget the Wi-Fi network on iPhone, first go to the settings application. Tap on Wi-Fi to see the list of available and connected networks. Now click on the eye icon next to the Wi-Fi you are connected to. Then click on Forget this network. Now a pop-up menu will appear asking for confirmation. Tap Forget to proceed. Now restart your device and then reconnect the Wi-Fi. Method 3. Check your date and time. Guys, sometimes our date and time or time zone is not correct, due to which we face problems in logging into Apple ID. So make sure to confirm once that your date and time zone are correct. So to check the date and time zone, first go to the settings application. Then scroll down and click on general. After clicking on general, now you need to find date and time and click on it. Here, make sure that your date and time zone are correct. Method 4. Reset all network settings on your iPhone. To reset all the network settings, first go to the settings application. Then scroll down and click on general. After clicking on general, now you need to find transfer or reset iPhone and click on it. Then click on reset. Now a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. Click on reset network settings to reset all the network settings of your iPhone. Tap reset network settings to confirm your action. So guys, this process will reset all the network settings of your iPhone such as Wi-Fi, VPN, APN and mobile data etc. and no data will be deleted. So guys, after the iPhone restarts, now go back to the settings application and try logging into your Apple ID again.